misuse of the back over years. I'm self-employed in the power equipment business, sell lawnmowers, service equipment, and there was always a lot of loading, unloading out of trunks, bending that way, not being able to use your knees. And then I think as we all get lazy on taking care of our backs, that we do a lot of stuff at home that we just bend at our back. We're not using our knees, picking things up. It would be aggravated if you tried to, during summers, do yard work or something where you were raking or shoveling or digging, those kind of times, and you would pay for that. I accepted a low grade of pain all the time because it just was always there. The decompression table basically goes through a series of stretchings and relaxings of the lumbar region, and as soon as I was being stretched to take the pressure off the discs, relief was immediate. It was, I don't know how to describe it, it was almost a euphoric rush down the lower back and hips and legs, permanent. It was so noticeable when I would wake up in the morning and get out of bed. The first few steps, that all of a sudden that I didn't hurt anymore. I didn't have to walk gingerly. I didn't have to try to stretch. Go in and take a shower. Didn't feel like I needed to soak. And I guess probably the first thing that I would have noticed is the fact that I didn't do all the tossing and turning in bed anymore, trying to find, like I was talking about in the chair, getting comfortable, trying to find, that magical spot in bed that I was just going to feel good and sleep through the night, and where I would always be waking up in the past with pain and trying to go onto my side or stretch a certain way or something to get comfortable again, to be able to get back to sleep, and that's all gone. It's totally turned that part of the life around. Having that lower back pain for so long and doing what I do in my business, knowing that I have to lift things improperly and I'm an active person at home, outside on projects, and I just accepted that was as good as it gets. And it's not. I mean, you can feel good. I had no clue, but you can still overdo it. And those are times that I come back in when I have overdone it, and there's some spasming going on and things that are pulling tight that are causing the compression again. And I'll go through a session on the table. It relieves it, and I'm good to go again for a long period. To me, it's been life-altering in the way that I feel. I just feel good again. I feel loose again. I don't feel like I have to always be tentative on what I do because I'm one little wrong move away from really having my back hurt, or dropping to my knees, as can happen when all of a sudden you get that real pinch, that real sharp pain. And I think anybody that's suffering from the chronic low back pain that's due to a compression, I think that they would fall in love with the treatment.